Okay, this video is about the tester. Okay, because in iPhone 10 or newer models, the board are 2 layers. Okay, it's also called sandwich board. Sandwich. So that's why we need a tester every time if you want to troubleshoot something. A lot of students that ask which tester is the best one. I can say there's no best tester in the market. Okay, no best tester. Every one of them have their own pro and con. So let's take an example. This is the tester from Mijing. It is for the iPhone XS motherboard and also XS Max. So let's say if I want to put in the XS Max on this tester, okay. After I've installed, I still can connect the touchscreen without extension. Okay. What I mean is there's some kind of flex extension, okay, to connect the touch and back to the LCD. So in this one, I don't need the extension. I can just directly connect the LCD and the touch connector like this. Okay. Directly, I can turn on and test the features. So the good thing about this, I can connect the XS Max, the touchscreen, easily. Okay, no need that kind of flex. I don't need to use this. But let's say another model, okay, this one. Okay, this one is from Xinzhizao. So let's put the XS Max on this one. You will notice after you put on everything. So after you install, this place is too small for your LCD to connect. I can't easily connect the LCD. Okay, even you do so, your LCD flash will bend too much. It will be affected. Okay, that's why he will give you this kind of flash, okay, to connect there. And you have to use this kind of flash to connect the touchscreen. Okay, it's not convenient, but the benefit of this kind, why he do like this, is because if you fix the XS Max before, there's a one more layer on here. Okay, just in case you want to repair this part, you dismantle the layer, you can put on this tester and put on top. So as I say, everyone have their own pro and con. Okay, XS Max is one of the example. This one is not bad. It is support from iPhone 10 to XS Max. Okay, the box inside, not only it come with the extension flags, okay, it also come with the iPhone 10 adapter. Okay, you can test the XS and iPhone 10, XS Max, okay, 3-in-1. So let's look at my first generation of the tester. Okay, this is for Mijing for iPhone 10 only. Okay, if you're looking for tester, is avoid use the kind that is too big. Okay, this is what I call too big. Let me show you why it is that bad. So after we install, the first problem is not only the touch connector. Okay, it is too deep. Okay, you're gonna use the extension if you want to test it. Okay, but of course this model C11 from Mijing is the outdated model that don't sell anymore. Don't worry about it. But I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna to look for the one that next to battery connector. It is best. He got nothing to block, you know. Okay. So let me show you. So assume I want to test the current to the power supply. I connect the cable. If my cable is coming from here, so I connect it. It is very easy to get loose, you know. Okay. It is because it keep pushing out the connector. Okay, it's too easy to get loose, especially when we have a battery on there. So let's say this is the iPhone 10 battery. Okay, you all already know the original battery always come from this side. As you know, the flags is like this. So you're gonna to make your flags to be very flat to connect it. Okay, I don't like to bend my flags, you know. Okay, if I want to test it, you see, if I bend the flags like this flat, then I can connect to here. Okay, if I don't do this, if the flags is come with original like this way, the battery will keep pop out easily to pop out. So this is why I don't like to use the tester that is too many blocking things near my battery connector. Okay, so let me show you the most satisfying tester. Okay, it is from the Sunshine. Okay, you see he's small enough, it's really light. He support all the 11 series, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max. Okay, so make an example. Coincidence, I have a case that is difficult to troubleshoot because you need a tester. This device, he got a sound problem. Okay, it's totally no sound at all. So first thing, you always need a tester to put on together and to test it. Maybe it's just a layer issue, installation issue. Let's say now I put on the 11 Pro. So not only he got a space, okay, like this for me to enter the battery connector. So if I enter the battery connector, there's nothing to block it. I can even put it down like this way. Okay, it is so convenient. So second thing is he's slim enough. So what do I mean? The problem I want to fix is a sound issue, speaker. I need to connect all the speaker. In case you don't know, repair the sound problem in the 11 series, you need to connect all the flags, the top speaker and even the dock connector. Okay, you need to connect both of them in order to test it. You see, if you slim enough, you can do the things like this. Okay, let me make an example. See, I still can connect like this way without any problem. Okay, it is tight. And then I can connect the screen. Okay. See, if you're a beginner, you must wonder then how I'm gonna press the button if I don't connect it. Okay, just use the tweezer or dial mode. Okay, and you can connect like this way. Okay, so all the speaker already connected is easily. Okay, you can even put down without issue. Turn it on. So it is very good for the 11 series. What about the iPhone 12? Okay, iPhone 12 I only get this. The brand is called Mega Idea. Actually, they are kind of like one of the Qianli partner or something. Okay, it is 4-in-1. Okay, iPhone 12, okay, iPhone 12 Mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max. But this one so far is only good because of the value. Okay, it is not so expensive. Some testers they even give you a bottle of the spare needle. So what I mean is the needle. Okay, he gives you some spare needle. Okay, you see the needle they give is kind of like a spring. Okay, so this is how the tester is made. This is just one of the example. Okay? Different company have a different needle. Okay. Actually, I not care so much about the needle. This one is giving us something like this, just in case one of it is damaged or something. Okay. So the final tips is, every time you use a tester, make sure you clean off all the flux, because the flux can stuck into the needle and then you will have a contact problem. If you use the thinner or something alcohol to clean it, the needle will be degrade. So it's best we don't need to clean the needle at all. That's why you need to clean off your logic board before you put on the tester. Okay, always take care of your tools, as I say in previous few videos. Okay, one of my video, I believe I keep saying, if you put the NAND on the NAND programming machine, you're gonna clean off your flux first. Okay, do not directly to put like that way. Okay, you will killing the needle. So I guess that's it for the sharing, and see you on the next video. Bye.